final night. We cannot believe. So we're already in the month of May, but thanks to Father God, I don't know. But we're looking forward to a very wonderful night. And we got to say big ups to Team Whippers, the greatest of them all. Hey! Big ups, of course, to the people artists.
Yeah, man, say. Good afternoon. I make a short video about Miss Kitty. See everybody come off of Miss Kitty and say all kind of something about Miss Kitty. But me I say, yo, them pull out Miss Kitty because Miss Kitty I come from far, you see me? Straight. Yeah, respect Miss Kitty always. That's what me I say. So that man there, and that woman there, we are talk. We are trying to look forward for Miss Kitty. Now go work. Love Kitty, she a fluffy diva. Straight.
Right? So you have to have the blender, then you have to lotion the body, then you have to put on your body butter, then you put on your spray, then the perfume. It's a whole lot of things.